Hey friends, happy Fatwood Friday. I'm going to try to do this with the Victorinox. Got some of that Redneck Renegade Fatwood here. I'm running way behind today. Okay. I'm going to use the back of the saw to scrape. Back of the saw's got a good 90-degree spine. Okay. Not making a big fire, but we'll see if this is sufficient. Now, in the back of the, where the toothpick goes, I've got a ferro rod. So probably not one and done this time, I don't know. Hey, one and done with the Victorinox, how's that? Alright. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And we'll see you Monday. Not real sure what we're doing Monday, but we'll figure out something. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good weekend.